So it's Christmas time soon and we need to decorate our houses. So I'm going to show you today how to make this cute little macrame star. Super easy, great for beginners. All you need is 2 different knots, the lark's head and the clove hitch. Let's get started. So the materials that we need to make the star is obviously something for the center. I'm using a wooden ring, but you could also use yarn. And then we'll need yarn, of course. Here I have the materials for 1 of the pointy bits. Altogether we need 5 of them. So for 1 of them we need 2 strings of 45 centimeter pieces of yarn and 1 of 35. So altogether for the star we need 5 of these, 5 pieces that measure 35 and 10 that measure 45. Okay, and let's get started. We'll start with the 45 centimeter one. You take the 2 ends, put them together and find the middle of the piece, and then we'll make our first lark's head knot. So you can put your piece of cord through the circle and pull the 2 ends through the loop like that. Actually, I'm going to flip it around because I like using this side better. And then we'll take the second one of 45 centimeters. We'll do the same thing. And now that I get it the same way, I'm just going to put it through like that and pull the ends through like that. And then last, we'll take the 35 centimeter piece, which is a bit shorter, and we'll do the same thing there. Very surprising. There we go. And now we have these ready. Now what I'm going to do is I have a paperweight here. I'm just going to put the paperweight on it. There we go. And we'll start from the 2 middle cords. And here we're going to pass the rightmost over the left cord, and with the left cord we'll do a clove hitch knot around this one. So to make a clove hitch, so the yarn comes from underneath, goes over and under and through the loop like that, and then we tighten. Again, same thing, over, under, through the loop. And that is a finished clove hitch knot, or if you prefer a double half hitch. There we go. And now we can move on to this side. So we'll do similar thing here. We'll do the clove hitch knot, but in the other direction in a way. So we'll take the leftmost cord, we place it over this and this cord, and we'll do the clove hitch knot from this side. So over, under, through the loop, just like we did before. Over, under, through the loop. So you can see that these 2 knots are done in an opposite direction. And then we'll just repeat the process of this knot over here. Go over, under, through the loop. There we go. And then we'll move on to this side. Again, the rightmost goes on top of all the 3 cords, and we'll do 3 clove hitch knots here, one after the other. So over, under, through the loop, over, under, through the loop, and we'll repeat it here. 1 and 2 portions, and 1 more with this last one. 1 and 2. There we go. Our 1 portion is ready. All you need to do is repeat this now 4 more times. Here we go. All 4 portions are done. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of extra. So you could try to do this with a bit shorter than my 45 and 35 centimeter cords, but it is harder to do the last knots the shorter your cords are. So personally, I prefer to have like a nice fistful of cord at the end to be able to do the last one really well. But yes, you could do them with shorter ones. As you can see, that's about it. So now all is left to do is cutting the cords. And as you can see from my previous one, I left about 1 centimeter at the edges because I really wanted the star shape to be visible really well. But you can do whatever you want. I would recommend first cutting them a little bit longer than you want and then trimming along the way. Now for this one, I didn't use any fabric stiffener, but you could do that as well. I kind of like the organic rope. All right, I hope you had fun. Thank you.